Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So first let's open Files application. Then you can transfer like images, videos, audios, documents, downloads, and also installation files. So let's transfer, for example, an image. Let's pick Helios and So let's pick Helios and Sisyphus. Okay, and the screenshot also. Then select if you want to move these files or if you want to copy them. So let's copy. Then select where you want to copy them, in our case to SD card. Select a folder where you want to copy them and then paste it like here. Yes, replace Helios. And as you can see, now I have these images here on my SD card. Not this one, but this one and also this one. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.